Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available for Infinix Smart 6 HD. So in order to do this, we're gonna see a few platforms. First is Google Play Store, and as we all know, game is not available here, but we can always try. No results, and now let's move on to Epic Games app. Continue. Here's a Fortnite. You can get that app from the Epic Games Store website, but sadly this device is not supported, and that means you can't play Fortnite on Infinix Smart 6 HD. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.